First, grab your headphones and slide the power switch up to turn them on. Next, look on the right ear cup for the small Bluetooth button. Press and hold that Bluetooth button for about 3 seconds. You will hear a brief chime, and the small LED light will start flashing blue rapidly. This means your headphones are actively searching for a connection. Now take your phone and open your Bluetooth settings. Make sure your device's Bluetooth is turned on, and look at the list of available devices nearby. When you see JBL Live 650 BTNC appear on your screen, simply tap or click on it to connect. The flashing blue light on your headphones will turn solid, and you'll hear a confirmation tone letting you know you are good to go. And that is how simple it is to connect these JBL Live 650 BTNC Bluetooth headphones.